Your brain is your most precious asset. It defines who you are, lets you connect with family, friends, even your inner self. It's your key to dream, imagine, and achieve. But more and more, our brains are failing. Mental illness is on the rise. Rates of cognitive impairment and age-related neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and dementia are increasing every year. So what can you do to help protect your most precious asset? MyBrainCo offers a scientifically curated body-brain optimization system called Sharp Mind, an evolutionary form of nootropics. The Sharp Mind Body-Brain Optimization System recognizes the intricate relationship between our body's systems and targets those known to impact cognitive and mental health. These include the digestive, cardiovascular, endocrine, immune, and nervous systems. Through the scientifically formulated products Brain Protect, Brain Energy, Brain Oils, Gut Repair, Sleep Well, and Sharp Mind, the product system supports such areas as brain, adrenal, mitochondrial, and thyroid function, together with neurotransmitter synthesis, blood sugar balance, and heavy metal detoxification. Backed by premium nutraceutical supplements manufactured to strict GMP quality standards, patented delivery technologies, and clinically trialed proprietary ingredients. MyBrainCo will help you sharpen your mind and maximize your potential. Order online today at mybrainco.com.